Hi there, I'm Darren August, the founder of Inspired Publishing, and over the last 5 years, we've had over 600 aspiring authors attend our self-publishing masterclass, and even better, we've helped over 30 South African authors write, publish and profit from their own book. And so if one of your goals for 2020 is to write your own book, why not join us for our next self-publishing masterclass, where we cover how to write your book, what kind of book you should write, and we teach you strategy to fund and profit from your own book. Join us at our next masterclass in one of 4 cities: Johannesburg, Cape Town, Bloemfontein or Polokwane. For more info, you can call our office, pop us an email, or check out our website, and we would love to host you at our next masterclass. Let's get your book to the world.